It's only our bridge. It's only our bridge. It's only our bridge. Take her off.
Daddy, it's not wobbly.
Charlotte's licking the window.
Nice. It's an up and down bridge. It's an up and down bridge. It's an up and down
Hey,
bridge.
watch it. I need to snuggle with it back.
Oh, you want to snuggle with me? Don't pull my sock off.
It's a straight bridge.
Straight bridge. Every now and then.
Ivans!
Ivans, that's what eyes you at.
Daddy! Watch the movie.
Okay, should we watch the movie? We're going to watch the movie. Isn't this in high def somewhere?
Oh, she's gonna.
Oh!
What happened? Did you fall off the chair?
Want to cuddle? Cuddle.
And now, Pete, where's Charlotte gonna go?
Well, there she is. Is this not in high definition somewhere?
Peter, look at Charlotte. She climbed up. Oh,
Dear.
you okay? Charlotte. You hurt yourself.
Rocks are falling in. Rocks are falling in. Rocks are falling in. Rocks are falling. Rocks are falling. Rocks are falling. Falling. Falling.
He's crossing a wobbly old bridge.
It's just a game. Don't worry. Watch.
Noah, what are you watching?
Toy Story 2.
Charlotte? Charlotte? What are you doing, Turkey? Kira? What you doing?